Old Taylor jet boat, 455 engine. Just rebuilt the jet pump. Boat needs a little work, but you know, pretty cool. Hot rod boat, old cool hot rod boat. And we're gonna test this jet pump. Fired up. Battery's a little low. We had the charger on. Pumping good water. Let's go take a look. Pretty good. Tack work, looks like it. I could idle it down a little if it's working. Looks like it's running about 1,300 RPMs. Temperature gauge doesn't work at all. That's completely wrong. Let's go over here. That's a 150, 149, 150. Okay. Drop the hammer on it, smash it. The bottom, push the bottom. Throttle cable sticking. Hey, you gotta push the bottom with your heel when they stick like that. Do it again, smash it. Now you got it, right? Sounds good. No weird noises. $148, coming up a little bit. 147. 147, 146. Jet pump's working good. Pumping some water. Smash it again. Smash it again. That son bitch starting some RPMs. What'd that say? About 6,700? Hey, whatever you do, don't hold it there. We ain't trying to buy the guy a motor. I mean, it's probably built to hold some RPMs, but that might be a little excessive. Once it's in the water and moving, hopefully it'll bite better than that. If it doesn't bite better than that, we're gonna have to go up on your impeller, get you a B impeller or something to get some bite, maybe a different loader grade or something. One more time, Zach, but watch your tack. Keep me at about 5,500. You didn't keep me there. You guys said keep me. That was running pretty cool. We'll have to look at the video. See, I think it said 141. All right, still pumping good water out? Good. All right, we're gonna give it a clean bill of health. It's ready for a sea trial. What did we just find? Oh, this air breather. It wouldn't run with it on there. I picked it up, it's so heavy. Can't see nothing through that thing, man. Can't get no air. I'll put it right in the sunlight. Look at that, you can't even see nothing in there. It's completely blocked. Anyway, this thing's gonna run great. Worst case, gonna need some more impeller. Thumbs up on the old Taylor. All right, bye everybody.